Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, black light gray stone premium seats with suede inserts, second row stow and go bucket seats, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, quick order package 29P included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT, FFV, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE black finish IP bezel bright belt moldings, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum, WGH, STD, Sirius satellite radio, octane red pearl coat and engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, FFV, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away.